The Eye Opener, Discovering New Perspectives in English. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in English conversations: eye opener. This expression is as vivid and powerful as it sounds, but what does it really mean? Whether you're a beginner or an advanced English learner, understanding such phrases can really be an eye-opener to the nuances of the English language. Let's explore it together. An eye-opener is an experience, fact, or event that surprises you and teaches you something new and very useful. The term suggests that it opens your eyes, or makes you realize something you hadn't seen or considered before. It's often used to describe situations where there's a sudden clarity or a moment of profound understanding. For instance, visiting a new country can be an eye-opener if you learn about a different culture. Reading a book that challenges your preconceived notions can also be an eye-opener. In essence, it's all about those aha moments that broaden your horizon. Now, let's look at how to weave this phrase into your everyday conversations. You can say, "The documentary about climate change was an eye-opener for me. I had no idea how serious the issue was." Or perhaps, after a conversation with a friend, you might reflect, "Talking to you about your experiences was a real eye-opener." Remember, an eye-opener doesn't just refer to learning new information. It also involves gaining a new perspective on what you may already know. Interestingly, eye-opener isn't always used in its literal sense. Sometimes, it can refer to something shocking or scandalous. For example, the corruption in the government was an eye-opener for everyone in the nation. Here, it highlights a collective realization of a problem. It's also colloquially used to refer to a strong alcoholic drink taken early in the morning. As in, he had a whiskey as an eye-opener to start his day. Clearly, this is a more figurative and humorous use of the term. Let's do a quick exercise. Think about an experience you've had that changed your understanding or perspective on a subject. How would you describe this using the phrase, eye-opener? Try forming a couple of sentences on your own. Remembering phrases can be tricky, but associating them with personal experiences can help. Whenever something makes you see things in a new light, label it as an eye-opener in your mind. Use the phrase in your English journals, practice conversations, or just ponder over what recent eye-openers you've had in your life. That's all for today. I hope this video has been an eye-opener for you all about this interesting and versatile phrase. Keep an eye out for opportunities to use it in your conversations. Happy learning, and I'll see you in our next video where we'll uncover more secrets of the English language. Until then, keep exploring and expanding your horizons. Goodbye, and take care.